How to make a simple Gaelic sentence. Making a Gaelic sentence is a lot like building a house. The first thing you need to do is have a good foundation. In this case, the foundation is going to be a present tense form of the verb to be. So the choices for this are ha for a positive statement, chanel for a negative statement, a bheil for a positive question, or nach for a negative question. These are the 4 things that you can choose from to start your foundation. Just choose the one that fits the type of sentence that you want to make. The next thing we need for our house is the actual house itself. And the next thing that we need for our sentence is going to be either a noun, a person, place, or a thing, or a pronoun, like I, you, he, she. The choices in Gaelic are me, u, e, sheen, shiv, or ithe. Or you can use a person's name, which is also a noun, like Màiri or Ian. You can also just use regular nouns like an cat or an cú. The next thing our house needs is a roof and some finishings. The next thing that our sentence needs is either an adjective or a verbal noun. Verbal noun is the ing form of a verb. Let's look at some adjectives. We could have something like ski, tired, or sona, happy, or some verbal nouns like a dannsa or ithe. So that's how it works. Here are some sample sentences. You can see how it goes together. Have fun trying some of your own. Ha me ski. I am tired. Haniel sheen sona. We are not happy. A bheil Màiri a dannsa. Is Màiri dancing? Nach an cat ithe. Isn't the cat eating?